Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 16, playing with number, exercise 16.2, question number 1. Question number 1, you can see here, if 2, 1, y, 5 is a multiple of 9, it means that if the multiple is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit. What is the value of y? Okay, you can see here again these questions I read. If 21y5 is a multiple of 9, means this is a given number, this is a multiple of 9, it means that you can say this number is divisible by 9. Okay, if any number is a multiple of 9, this means that that number is also divisible by 9. And where you can see your y is a digit. So we need to find the value of y. What is the value of y? So how to solve this and how to find the value of y? Because you know very well the divisibility test of 9. So first question arises here, what is the divisibility test of 9s? On which numbers divisible by 9 and which numbers is not divisible by 9? Which numbers is divisible by 9 and which numbers is not divisible by 9? So this is depend on its divisibility test of 9. So what is divisibility test of 9? If any number is given, so first we find sum of the digit of the numbers. Okay, if sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. So here this is given, the number is 21 by 5. Okay, and also this is given, this number is multiple of 9, it means that this number is divisible by 9. But here we need to find the value of y. How to find the value of y? First we write given number is solution. First here we write given number. Given numbers is 21y5. This is a multiple of 9. This is also given. This is a multiple of 9. It means that 9 divides 6. Okay. This implies this is given, and that 21y5 is multiple of 9. Okay, it means that 21y51 is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9, then we are obtain some quotient. Okay, so but here we need to find the value of y. For this we find the sum of digit of the number. So here we write sum of digits. Sum of digits is equal to 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. This is equal to nothing but 8. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8 plus y. Okay, so here you can see, if a number is divisible by y, if a number is divisible by 9, okay, if a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit of the number is divisible by 9. Here the sum of digit of the number is 8 plus y. So what is the possible value? If we put here, then this becomes the multiple of 9. So for this we can say, if we take y is equal to 0, so it's become 8. So 8 is not divisible by 9. If you take y is equal to 1, if you take y is equal to 0, so it becomes 8 plus 0 or 8. So 8 is not divisible by 9. So this is our y is equal to 0 is wrong. Okay. So again we take, if y is equal to 1, if you take y is equal to 1, so 8 plus 1, this is equal to 9. So this is 9 is this 9 is divisible by 9. It means that the given number is divisible by 9. Okay, And if you put other digit, you know digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if you put any other digit except ones, so this number is not divisible by 9, because if you put a 2 here, y is equal to 2 if you put here, so 8 plus 2 10, 10 is not divisible by 9. If you put 3, so 8 plus 3 11. In this way 11 is not divisible by 9. If you put maximum value 9, so 8 plus 1, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Okay, so 17 is not divisible by 9, so we put only y is equal to 1 here, so we obtain 9, the sum of digit, then the sum of digit is divisible by 9. Okay, so you can say the value of y is 1. Either one other method is that if you take you have x 8 plus y, okay, and this number is divisible by 9, so you can write here 8 plus y, this is equal to 9, or y is equal to 9 minus 8, or y is equal to 1. This is another method to find the value of y, because this number, this sum is divisible by 9. Okay, so you can write this like this, and if you solve, you find the value of y. Another way, you put the digit in replace y by 0, by 1, by trial and error method, you can say. So if you put here 1, then it becomes 9, then you can say we replace here 9 y by 1, then this number is divisible by 9. Okay, this is also method. Okay, if we put 8 plus y is equal to 9, why we take here 9? Because this number, this sum is divisible by 9, so we take here 9. Okay, so you can say here we obtain y is equal to 8. We obtain here y is equal to 8, and we need to find only value of y. Okay, not numbers. What is the number? If you put here, you replace this number by 1, then number is equal to, then number is equal to 2115. This is the numbers. Okay, here we replace y by 1. Clear? So student, you can see here in this number, in this question number 1, this is given that 21y5 is divisible by 9, and according to divisibility test of 9, we know that the sum of digit of a number is divisible by 9, then that number is also divisible by 9. Okay, so here we find the sum of digit, we obtain 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5, in this way we obtain 8 plus y. Okay, this number is divisible by 9, so you can write here 8 plus y is equal to 9. Clear? So you here we transpose this 8 to right hand side, then we obtain in left hand side 1, and right hand side is equal to 9 minus 8, then we obtain 1. The value of y is 1. So I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 2. Question number 2 have, if 31z5 is a multiple of 9, again given the 31z5 is a multiple of 9, and where z is any digit. Okay, so what is the value of z? So let's see how to solve this question. In this question, question number 2, given number is, we can write here, and given number is 31z5, and z5. Okay, this number is given, and this is divisible by, this is a multiple of 9. This is given that 31z5 is multiple of 9. ये किसका मल्टीपल है? 9 का मल्टीपल. this is a multiple of 9. It means that 9 must divide this numbers. Okay, if 27, you can see 27 the multiple of 9, it means that 27 divides by 9. Okay, we have to here 3. So it means that this is a multiple of 9. It means that 9 divides it. Okay, so here you need to find the value of z. Find the value of z. Okay, here this is z. So how we find the value of z? We know that the divisibility test of 9. What is the divisibility test of 9? And a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digit of a number is divisible by 9. So first we find sum of digit of this number. Okay, so you can write here sum of digit digits is equal to what? This is number 317Z5. This is digit of this number. So we write here C3 1 plus Z plus 5. Okay, this is a digit of this number, and now we sum it. So add them 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9 plus Z. Okay, 9 plus Z. Okay, so here you can see 9 plus Z the sum of digits, and this sum is divisible by 9. So what is the value of Z dates, and this numbers divisible by 9, or you can say this becomes multiple of 9. So for this, first we take 0. If we take Z is equal to 0 by trial and error methods. By trial and error methods, or you can say if we take this sum is divisible by 9. So if you take this 9 plus Z is equal to 9, or you find here Z is equal to 9 minus 9, or you can say Z is equal to 0. Okay, so here if you take Z is equal to 0, then this number is divisible by 9. Okay, here we use trial and error method to find the value of Z. Okay, so here you can say so we take Z is equal to 0, so it should become 9 plus 0, or you can say 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Okay, so our numbers become if you take Z is equal to 0, then number becomes 3105. Here we replace Z by 0. Okay, and another value, if we take Z is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If you take 8, so 8 plus 9 17. So this is not divisible by 9. If you take 7, so 9 plus 7, this is 16. Again this is not divisible by 9. So if you take 9, okay, so if you take Z is equal to 9, okay, if you take Z is equal to 9, then this becomes here 9 plus 9. Here we take the value of Z is 9 from here, so this becomes 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So possible value of Z is equal to 0 and 9. Okay, value of Z is equal to 0 and 9. Okay, so we can write here possible value of Z, and number, if you put Z is equal to 9, then number, what is our numbers? Its number is equal to 3195. Okay, this number is divisible by, this number is multiple by 9. This number is also divisible by 9. So you need to find the value of Z. So what is the possible value of Z? Okay, so you can write here, hence value of Z is equal to value of z is equal to 0 and 9. Here they have two values. In both values, and the given number is divisible by 9. So first number is 3205 and the second number is 3295. Okay, so in this way 3195 and 3105 both are divisible by 9. Clear? So we find the value of z 0 and 9. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. And now we are going to discuss next question. You can say the question number 3. Question number 3 है, if 24x is the multiple of 3, 24x is the multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Here we again we need to find the value of x, and here 24x is the multiple of 3. It means that this number is divisible of 3. So first we need to know what is the divisibility test of 3. Okay, so you know a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit of the number is also divisible by 3. What is the divisibility test of 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit of the number is also divisible by 3. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. Question number 3. In this question number 3, this is given number is question number 3. Given number is, you can write here, and given a number what is the given number? 2, 4, x, where x is a digit and this number is divisible by 3. Here given, here this is given, what given? 2, 4, x is multiple of 3. Okay, this is a multiple of 3. It means that this number is divisible by 3. So first we find the sum of digit of the number. Okay, sum of digit of the number. So here write here sum of digit of number is equal to 2 plus x, 2 plus 4 plus x. This is given, 2 plus 4 plus x is given. So first we find the sum of the number. So what is the sum of the number? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus x. 6 plus x. Okay. So here you need to find the value of x. What is x? So x is the digit, and this number 2, 4x, this number is divisible by 3. So we know that the sum of the digit of the number, if a sum of digit of a number is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. So for this we use try and error method, and we know that what x is the digit. So number of digits you know 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. We put one by one in place of x and find the value of x for those that numbers 2, 4x is divisible by 3. Okay. So first we put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, if you put x is equal to 0 here, x is equal to 0, so we happen here 6 plus 0 or 6. So this number 6 is divisible by 3. So here the value of x is 0. Okay, the value of x is equal to 0. And the next we take 1. If you take 1 here, the 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So this number is not divisible by 7 is not divisible by 3. So we cancel this number 1. Again 2. If you take 2, the value of x is 2. So here this become 2. Okay, this becomes 2. So x 6 plus 2, this is equal to 8. This is equal to 8. And 8 is not divisible by 3. So again we not take that the value of x is equal to 2. So this is not equal to 2. Again we take 3, the value of x is equal to 3. If you take x is equal to 3, so this is equal to x plus 6 plus x, and here we take x is equal to 3, then we have 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So you can see here the x is equal to 3, you have to 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, or you can say 3 divides 9. So it means that this is a one value x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 0 is the value on which the given number is multiple of 3. Okay, and now 0 is our correct answer and 3 our correct answer. Again we take the place of x is 4. If you write here 4, this is equal to 10. So 10 is not divisible by 3. Okay, 10 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not the possible value of x. Okay, so again we erase here and we take x is equal to 5. If you take x is equal to 5, so here we put x plus 6 plus x, and we take x is equal to 5, then it will become 11. 11. So 11 is not divisible by 3. So again we reject this value of x. Okay, 9. Okay, next we take x is equal to 6. If we take x is equal to 6, and here x plus 6, 6 plus x, and we take x is equal to 6. So 6 plus 6 this is equal to 12. And the univariable 12 is the multiple of 3, or you can say 3 divided 12. It means that the x is equal to 3 is the correct answer. X is equal to 6 is the correct answer. One other correct answer. Okay, one other value of x is 6. For this, the given number is multiple of 3. Okay, now so this is our correct answer. Again we take x is equal to 7. If we take x is equal to 7, so here 6 plus 7, so this is to 13, and the 13 is not divisible by 3. So x is equal to 7, the value of x is equal to 7, we reject it. Okay, and because the x is equal to 7, if you put x is equal to 7 in this number, then this number is not multiple of 3, because the sum of the digits of the number at x is equal to 7 is not divisible by 3. Clear? Now we take 8, x is equal to 8. If we take x is equal to 8, so here write 8 is equal to 14. Okay, so 14 is not multiple of 3, or you can say 3 not divide 14. So x is equal to 8 is the value of x is equal to 8 is rejected. Okay, because the sum of digit of the number is not divisible by 3. But here the question told us that 2 for x is a multiple of 8. But if you put the value of x equal to 8, this is not divisible. The sum of digit is not divisible by 3. Then we can say this number is not multiple of 3. But the question this is given, this is a multiple of 3. So x is equal to 8. The value of x is equal to 8, we will reject it. Okay, now next value, last digit is x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. So you put 6 plus x, and we take x is equal to 9 is equal to 15. Okay, so 15 is multiple of 3, or you can say 15 divides 15 divisible by 3. So if you put x is equal to 9 here, then this number is multiple of 3. 249, this is multiple of 3. So you can see here all possible value of x. Okay, you can write here all possible value of x is equal to is 0, 3, 6, 9. Okay, so here this is the smallest value of x is 0 and the largest value of x is 9. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. In this question, first given 2 4x is the multiple of 3. So we need to find, and where x is a digit, we need to find the value of x. For this, we know that the digit, what is digit? Digit is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, this is a digit. So we use trial and error method and put one by one the value of x. Sometimes if we find the result is multiple of 3, sometimes we find the result is not multiple of 3. So if the result is not multiple of 3, then we reject the value of x. If the result is multiple of 3, then we select the value of x. For this, we find the value of x is equal to 0, x equal to 3, x equal to 6 and x equal to 9. So in this way you can see we find all possible value of x is 0, 3, 6 and 9. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to discuss next question. This is question number 4. Again this is given 3 1 z5 is a multiple of 3 and where the z is a digit, where z is a digit. So we need to find here the value of z. Okay, I repeat this question. If 3 1 z5 is a multiple of 5 where z is a digit, so what might be the value of z? It means that what is the value of z? Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. In this question number 4, this is given number is 3 1 z5. Sorry, we write it, the given number is the given number is 3 1 z5. Okay, here this is given, also given this number is multiple of z. 3 1 z5 is multiple of z. This number is the multiple of z. Okay, here you need to find the value of z. So this number is a multiple of z. It means that the sum of digit of the number is divisible by z. Sorry, this number is a multiple of 3. Okay, this number is multiple of 3. It means that the sum of digit of the number is divisible by 3, because if this number is multiple of 3, it means that 3 divides this number. So for this we find the value of z. Okay, so first we find sum of digit. Sum of digits is equal to 3 plus 1 plus and z plus 5. This is equal to 9 plus z. Okay, so here we know that this is given that in question the z is a digit, and we know that all digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so first we put z is equal to 0. If we take z is equal to 0, so this becomes 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. So here 9 is divisible by 3. So it means that the value of z is equal to 0 is right. Again we take z is equal to 3. Next we take the multiple of 3. 0, 3, 6 and 9. If we take multiple of 3, so 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 12 is divisible by 3. It means that the z is equal to 3 is right value of z. Okay, again we take z is equal to 9. What we take? Z is equal to 6. Sorry, we take 6. After this we take 9s. Okay, the multiple of 3 the correct value of z. Okay, so here we write here 6. This is equal to, if you take 6, so 15. So you know that 15 is the multiple of 3, or you can say 3 divide 15. Okay, so z is equal to 6 is the right value, and I'm going to take z is equal to 9. So for this, here we put 9 plus 9, this is 18. Okay, so 18 is the multiple of 3, or you can say 18, 3 divides 18. So the right value of z is 0, 3, 6 and 9. All this value, this number is divisible by 3. All this value z is equal to 0, 3, 6 and 9, and that the numbers is multiple of 3. So here you write here the possible value of z is. You can write here, hence possible value of z is 0, 1, 0, 3, 6 and 9. Okay, this is all possible value of z. So student, I hope all of you understood, and in this way we completed question number 4 of this exercise 16.2. This is the last question of this exercise. Also you can say this is last question of this chapters. So in this way we completed this chapter 16, playing with numbers. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.